MIUI 12 has been one of the most anticipated updates for all the Redmi phones. This is so because you get to see some new visual designs and features. Hello guys, you're watching Tech Reloaded, and in this video, we will be discussing about features of MIUI 12. So let's get started. Redmi has started rolling out MIUI Global Stable Update, but we missed some features which we were expecting to see in this update. Users were expecting to see Super Wallpaper in this MIUI 12 update, which Redmi has promised. Super Wallpaper was made available in MIUI 12 beta update, but we don't get to see it here in Global Stable Update of MIUI 12. When you visit the theme on your phone, you will see that there is a live wallpaper option, but there is no live wallpaper by default. You can download the Super Wallpaper online. We expect to see Super Wallpaper with future updates soon. Floating windows can be a very useful feature when it comes to multitasking. You can use this feature to open supported apps and switch between them with ease. Floating windows keep running in the foreground when you do pause to do other things. There are many ways to turn on floating windows. You can do it by pulling down notification sent by Messenger app, or you can also visit the recent app menu and press and hold the app for which you want to turn on floating windows. Then you will see an option to turn on floating windows for that particular app. Click on it and you are good to go. You can also do it by opening the particular app and then from the control center turn on floating windows. With this update, you will get different control center and notification shade unlike the traditional one. You can swipe right from the top of your screen to access the control center and swipe left from the top of your screen to access the notification shade. You can switch back to the traditional notification shade by visiting the setting menu of your phone and searching for status bar to turn off the new control center. The dark mode was already there in MIUI 11, but this time there's a new update to it. You can turn on dark mode on third-party apps which was not available previously. Also, the dark mode allows your wallpaper to be displayed in darker shade. With this update, you will see a new light mode which will enable bigger icons, larger text and less visual clutter. Well, we were expecting to see full screen navigation gestures like that of Android 10, but they are not available with this update, even though the update log states them to be there. You will also get to see a new ultra battery saver mode which will restrict power consuming activity and will decrease the screen brightness and switch your phone to the dark theme. This will help save your phone battery in case of emergency. You can turn this mode on by visiting the control center and clicking on the lightning icon.